VisionIGA-2026, Integrated Governance Architecture 2026, is a governance-first artificial intelligence framework designed to ensure that enterprise intelligence, decisions, and actions remain explainable, auditable, governed, trusted, and assured. It introduces a new paradigm where governance is embedded directly into AI architectures rather than applied as an external control mechanism. The framework is built on the principle: AI thinks rightward arrow, governance decides rightward arrow, assure proves. IGA 2026 transforms traditional AI systems from simple prediction engines into governed intelligence platforms capable of supporting enterprise-scale decision-making. The architecture begins with own data and runtime calculation, ensuring that all intelligence is derived from trusted organizational evidence. Core governance intelligence is generated through 4 specialized engines: KPI engine, Key Performance Intelligence; TSI engine, Trust and Sustainability Intelligence; OSI engine, Operational Stability Intelligence; RMSE engine, Risk, Materiality, Sensitivity and Exposure Intelligence. These engines feed the GPT intelligence engine, which generates domain-specific insights and recommendations. Analyzer 1.0 interprets these results through root cause analysis and governance assessment, while the policy engine and decision authority engine ensure that decisions are evaluated, governed, and authorized before execution. Runtime decisions are issued through 4 governance verdicts. Allow, condition, hold, block. The Assure engine provides audit trails, evidence, compliance proof, and decision justification, creating complete transparency and accountability. To support continuous learning and enterprise knowledge retention, IGA 2026 incorporates AI memory, AI-trained memory, query intelligence, replay intelligence, knowledge graph, and learning engine capabilities. Executive outputs are delivered through management advisory and board advisory engines, converting governance intelligence into actionable business guidance. Strategic statement: AI thinks rightward arrow, governance decides rightward arrow, assure proves. Enterprise statement: 1. Governance brain rightward arrow, N enterprise domains rightward arrow, N GPTs. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, and the IGA 2026 framework. His work focuses on embedding governance directly into enterprise AI systems through governance brain architecture, Analyzer 1.0, runtime governance engines, AI memory, AI-trained memory, and the Inform rightward arrow, govern rightward arrow, assure operating model. His vision positions governance as a foundational capability for the next generation of enterprise artificial intelligence.